In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim free games on itch.io quickly and easily, even if you've never used the platform before. This is a simple method for grabbing free indie games, browsing the downloads, and getting straight to the file you want without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once you're there, use the search bar or open the game's project page directly. The important thing is to make sure you are on the actual project page for the game you want to claim. On that page, look for the download or claim button. This is usually the main button on the page, and it will take you to the download options. Click that button to continue. In some cases, a pop-up may appear asking you to support the creator or sign in before downloading. If that happens, don't worry. Just click no thanks. Just take me to the download section. After that, you'll see the option to claim the game. Click Claim Game to add it to your account or unlock the download access. Once you do that, the game is officially claimed and ready for you to download. From there, choose the version or file you want, then start the download like normal. Depending on the game, you may get an installer, a zip file, or another download format. After the file finishes downloading, you can open it and install or play the game based on the instructions from the developer. And that's it. You've now claimed a free game on itch.io and downloaded it successfully. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.